Good evening. My name is Richard, and I'm here with Justin and Dylan. And our 3BL company that we picked for this presentation is Cisco Incorporated. So what is Cisco? Cisco is an American multinational technology corporation located in San Jose, California. It was founded in 1984 by Sandy Lerner and Leonard Bozek. Cisco specializes in networking solutions. For instance, they make switches, routers, they deal with cybersecurity measures, and the Internet of Things and their solutions as well. Cisco are able to connect computer devices and networks together, regardless in differences in time, place, or computer systems. And fun fact, I didn't know about this. Did you know that Cisco actually is short for San Francisco, and that the Cisco logo, the one with the bars, is actually represents the Golden Gate Bridge that's located in San Francisco.
So what does 3BL mean? It essentially means that the company is trying to accomplish something aside from just generating revenue. Often companies will have goals that they want to fulfill outside of just pure profit making. 3BL also helps companies operate using good ethical guidelines to help society as a whole. These goals can essentially be broken down into three things: people, planet, and prosperity. Commitment to people can be seen as a company's effort not to exploit any of their workers and make sure that everyone is paid a fair wage. Companies who are committed to their people also seek that they are avoiding any sort of malpractices such as child labor, and they make sure that their employees have a safe working environment. In terms of planet, this means the company is committed to making sure that their company does not produce any sort of toxic pollution, or if they do, that it's disposed of properly. It also means avoiding any sort of ecological unsustainable practices, such as complete deforestation, overfishing, or any other sort of thing. Lastly, prosperity relates to how a company produces their profit. This means that the company truly produces something that the society deems as beneficial to their economy. Next, I'll pass it up to Justin, who will explain why Cisco is a 3BL company.
All right, so a couple of campaigns that demonstrate how Cisco incorporates triple bottom line framework are Technology for Good campaign, environmental sustainability, and leading a conscious culture. Cisco actually ranked 4th on the 100 best corporate citizens of 2021, which is the media that evaluates the largest public US companies on ESG, transparency, and performance. Cisco empowers nonprofits to develop scalable technology solutions. And here I'm going to be talking about Technology for Good, critical human needs and crisis response. Talked about how Cisco supported program solutions focused on disaster relief, hunger and clean water, learning and digital skills development, where they expanded the quality of education and promoted STEM, which stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And they also provided economic empowerment by investing solutions that help undeserved people gain financial independence. This chart demonstrates that putting tech in the hands of passionate people can empower problem solvers to make a real impact. And here I'm going to be talking about environmental sustainability, so increasing efficiency and reducing emissions across operations. Building energy efficiency, Cisco implemented over 440 efficient projects that reduce the costs and emissions. Product energy efficiency, they are developing more efficient projects that reduce the costs, power loss, and offering higher efficiency power supplies. renewable energy. Just a couple years ago, they completed their first wind energy project where Cisco actually purchased PPAs, which stands for Power Purchase Agreement, from Mesquite Star Wind Farm. And leading a conscious culture. So they also fostering a conscious culture to build a community that acts with dignity, respect, fairness, and equity. They also talked about social justice. They have a belief that social justice is apolitical, believing that communities on the margins experience a world that is just where they are valued, basically, validated and empowered. And awards and distinctions I want to quickly talk about. In 2019, they achieved the award for World's Best Workplaces, recognized as the best workplace for women, ranked third on Fortune's magazine Great Place to Work list, and number three in the top 10 military-friendly employers. And here I put the chart where it demonstrates how much of an impact Cisco made on communities across the globe.
So, any questions?